And one evening, I just decided to go to God. For no reason at all, I just went to God in prayer and asked Him that I wanted the truth, no matter what it takes. I picked up the Quran and held it to my face and kissed it. I stated, why hasn't anyone told us about this? The main part is that I've been in Islam for many years, reading, and studying, and praying. And then one night, Allah guided me to an ayat and a surah, and it mentioned, this day I have completed my favor upon you. I have perfected your religion, and I have chosen Islam as your religion.